Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to make a random image generator kind of a application in JavaScript, and for this purpose we will be using a website which is loremflickr.com. We will be using their API, and if I show you their documentation, they serve millions of images which are photographed by photographers. So this is the endpoint that you need to hit here. So if you hit this endpoint, you will get a dock picture with these dimensions, which is 320 by 240. You can see that. Every time you hit this endpoint, you will get a random image like this. So we will be hitting this endpoint, guys. So just first of all, make a simple boilerplate code inside your text editor. So this is my boilerplate. Let me just change the title. That is random image generator in JavaScript. So for this purpose we are using some Bootstrap. I have included the CDN and also some jQuery as well. So after this, guys, we will have a simple image tag, and I will be giving a ID to it of image. That's it. So you can even give it a Bootstrap class of image thumbnail. So we will be dynamically be changing the source property of this image. We need to wrap this inside the container class of Bootstrap like this. You can wrap this. So after the image tag, close the div, and after this just have two break tags, and after that we will have a heading, and we will align it in the center position by text center. So this will be, the heading will be simply random image generator in JavaScript. After this, we will have a simple form. Let me just show you. Open with live server to just show you the result that we have got. The server is started at 5500 local port. If I refresh, you will see random image generator. And after this heading, we will have a simple form. So you will see we will have a form. We will provide an ID to it of my form. We will don't have a action, and inside this form, first of all, we will give form group class of Bootstrap, and inside this we will give it a class of form control. So input type will be text, and here you need to provide a ID. So this will be search. So here you need to provide a simple text of which you are searching for photograph. So placeholder, I will search photos like this, and it is required. So if I reload once again, you will see a input field. Here you need to provide any sort of search query, and one other attribute I will auto complete to off. So this will not give me suggestions. That's it. So after this, we will also have a simple button. So this will have the BTN class, BTN block, and BTN danger classes, and then simply it will be get photo like this. So if I refresh, you will see this is the interface of the application is ready. Now we just need to hook up the JavaScript. So after including jQuery, we will write our jQuery code inside the script tag. So first of all, we will target the form by its ID that we have given, which is my form. So there is a submit method. When the form is submitted, this callback function will automatically execute holding the event object. So first of all, we need to execute e.prevent default in order to prevent the auto submission of the form. Now after that, we need to get the search query which the user has typed. We can get this by dollar and then the ID that we have given, which is search. In order to get the value, we will use .val function. So this will get the value. Now we need to first of all get the image element. So we can get the image element by its ID, which is image, and then we can just manipulate the source attribute, which is source, to this attribute that I will, the URL. Let me just copy this URL, copy link address. So after this search, we will be making a URL. So this URL will be equal to this https loremflickr.com, and these are the dimensions. You can even change the dimensions, but I will be making the dimensions constant, which is 320 width and 240 height. And this is the search query. So here we will concatenate the search query, search, that's it, and then we will make the source will point to this URL, that's it. So this is the overall application, guys. If I refresh the application, what you will find, if I let's suppose I want a computer image. If I enter this, click on get photo, you will see that you will see a computer photo. If you right click, you can save this image onto your local system. This is pretty simple, and you can see the border as well around this image. So this is all because of Bootstrap, the class that we have initialized, which is image thumbnail. Let's suppose I want to change this to cat image. Click on get photo. Now you will see a cat image. I can just change just to a laptop. Click get photo. You will see a laptop is there. And let's suppose dinosaur. Click on get photo. So you will see that dinosaur image is there. If I search for birds, you will see a bird image. And lastly, if I search dog, you can see. If I search a country here, India, so you will see that. So this is a overall application that we have built using the Lorem Flickr API, guys. So I think that you have enjoyed this application. So if you like this video, guys, then please hit the like button, which is there below the video, and also share this video with your friends, and also hit the subscribe button, and also tap the notification bell icon, and I will be seeing you in the next video.